Hi guys, we're back. September 20, Euro versus the Australian dollar monthly chart. This is what you're looking at right now. I wanted to give you the full picture here. It's quite interesting. We just had a major touchdown here on the 163.10. Remember this level because I've been following up on this setup for more than 2 years now. This is a very old setup. One of the oldest that you can find in the market. You can track it back all the way to the beginning of 2014. And every single leg here is a major trend, right? And once we've just now touched base here on this particular top key level, we've done that before. Remember? You saw what happened in the previous time we've touched base on that level. Now we only have 4 legs here, so I think we can definitely expect a 5th leg, right? So this is like the major trend. We might be having here a full-fledged downside reversal of the trend, of the major trend. Now, let me take you, obviously, this is too crude, right? This is the monthly chart. We're not going to work on the monthly chart directly. So I'm going to take you to the daily chart. Well, first, let me say this. Obviously, if we're going to have a full downside, full-fledged downside reversal, then we can make it all the way to 42.80. However, in this case, we're going to try to focus on the first key level, which is the mid-high 53.51. Also very ambitious move from where we're trading right now. We're talking about 700 pip. But we also have a few short-term price targets. So this is the daily chart. I actually established the first trade in this short position. I started very small, basically yesterday, and I'm already 100 pip up. But I have to say I'm not too excited about it because we got this really complicated situation here. We got a second setup, which is the blue system here, right? Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. First leg here, second leg right there, and third leg seemingly breaking below 60.86, which is a good thing, right? Usually. However, I don't buy that too easily. This is just a daily close. And when you can already see price starting to move upwards and basically touching base again with that 60.86 from below, but it doesn't mean that it broke it. It doesn't mean that that's a genuine breakdown. Usually I would actually increase the position at this point, but I don't want to do that yet. I want to have a weekly close below that level. Let's take a look at the weekly situation here, right? So the weekly close is going to be in a day. Right, very soon we're close to the end of the week, and you can see right now from the weekly perspective, price is basically trying to break that 60.86 level. So once we have that weekly close below, this is the point where I'll be beginning to increase the position, hopefully all the way to 53.51. And like I said, we also have a few intermediate price targets such as the 59.31 right here and the 58.44. These are actually these are also symmetrics key levels, basically but an old one, right? An old symmetrics key level that is not here at this point. But I think these are still quite important targets, especially for secondary targets. So I'm waiting to see the close on the weekly bar with this particular level in mind, 60.86, right? So if price is going to go back and close both the daily bar and later on the weekly bar back above that level, I will just close that position that I right now registering about 100 pip. I will probably take a smaller profit, and because at that point price may actually push all the way up to the higher section again of that blue system before it comes off again, and maybe then give us a genuine breakdown. So we'll see how that goes. But we're having a bearish outlook right now on the euro versus the Australian dollar from the short-term perspective and the long-term perspective. I will definitely follow up and keep you posted. See you in the next video.